if you hold shift, you can actually activate the nitro, I think.
Nitro? Shift?
Yeah, shift.
I'm holding it.
Maybe the car doesn't have a nitro, or oh maybe did it go faster? Oh wow. Well, I think we're good. We have a harness. We're invincible.
Yeah.
Oh my god, are you really gonna?
Yeah.
Oh my god, are you really gonna? No! Wait, your seatbelt! Your seatbelt!
Is Reine okay?
I can't get out.
Can I swim to the cruise ship and cause panic?
I can't get out of the car!
Hello.
Hello, are you?
Hi.
I can't get out of the car.
I got launched into the ocean.
You can swim?
Yeah.
I have to call with the driver. Yeah, okay, good. I'm gonna be waiting.
I'm swimming.